Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you're ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we're going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these strategies to help you with your reading. The ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and your stretchy snakes. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake all together. Spaceship. A, sh, it, p. You have a go for me? Fantastic, well done. Let's have a go all together one more time. Spaceship. S, p, a, sh, it, p. Good job, well done. The book that we're going to be looking at this week is called Blast Off. Here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Blast Off. This book follows on from the book that we read last week. The engines thundered and rumbled as the spaceship zoomed up into the air. Everybody inside screamed. "What's happening, Knock?" yelled Max. "Tiger must have hit the emergency button," Knock shouted back. "It instructs the ship to take us home." "Phew," said Cat, looking relieved. "Home." "Not your home, Cat," said Knock. "My home, Planet Exis." "What?" she yelled. Tiger looked out into space. Their own planet was getting smaller and smaller. "I feel sick," he said. Can you try turn us around?" asked Max. "I will try," said Knock. He jumped into the pilot seat. "Seven, turn off the emergency system," and plunged into the control desk. Moments later, the ship said, "Emergency system has been turned off." "Well done, Seven," said Max. Knock reached the steering controls. "They are not responding," he yelled. "The steering must have been damaged in the crash," said Seven. Said Ant, pointing to the main screen. "I think we have a bigger problem." There was a very large white and grey ball on the screen. It was the moon, and they were heading right for it. "Impact in 5, said the ship. "Can you fix the controls, Seven?" Max asked. "I will try," said Seven. At once Seven opened a panel behind Knock's chair. "Impact in 4, said the ship. They were getting closer and closer to the moon. "Impact in 3. Hurry, Seven," said Knock. "Try it now," said the robot. "Impact in 2. Knock put his hands over the controls. 2 balls of energy formed. "Yes," he shouted, "I have steering." "Impact in 1. Knock pulled back up on the controls. The ship tilted just in time. They had made it. The ship skimmed over the surface of the moon. Then it flew out into space. "Can we go home now?" asked Cat. "I could take you to see my home instead," said Knock excitedly. Knock tapped a button. Planet Exis appeared on the screen. Knock tapped the button again. This time Knock's mum and dad appeared on the screen. "I miss my family," said Knock sadly. "I'm sorry, Knock," said Max. "We can't come with you. We have families that would miss us too." "Do not worry," said Seven. "We will travel so fast that you will be back in no time. Nobody will realize that you are missing." "Well, in that case," said Max, looking round at Cat, Ant and Tiger. Grinned back at him. "Next stop, Planet Exis." Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you're struggling, you can listen to me read it again by rewinding the video, or you can use the play button on Oxford Owl where they will read it to you. This week on Guided Reading, we are going to be doing another word search. To access the word search, all you need to do is click the link that I'll post in your portfolio. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page. You need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll need to press start again and find all the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your lovely work.